Hi everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to combine tables using the primary and foreign keys. We will get columns from two different tables using a condition. So let's get started. First, you have to log into Oracle Live. In Oracle Live, we have two tables. One of them is customer, the other one is orders. So first, let's see what these tables are, how these tables look like. So you select all from customers, and then select all from orders. So this will give us all the rows and columns of these two tables. So here, the first table is it has the information about the customer. It has about 20 records. So the first one is the customer ID, first name, last name, and then address, city, state, zip code, and then who referred the customer, and then region, and then the email address of that customer. And in the second table, we have the order number. We have the order number, the customer ID, or the customer number, the date it was ordered, the date it was shipped, ship street, ship city, ship state, ship zip code, and ship cost. So these are two different tables in an Oracle database. So now what we want to do is get columns. So these are a lot of columns. We don't want that many columns. We just want two or three columns with all the required information. So first, before we get started, you need to know the concept of uh, primary keys and a foreign key. So primary key is basically a unique identifier in each column or each table. It's a column that is unique. It can't have the same thing twice in that column. So every record in that column is unique. And then foreign key is basically that unique column in table A is referred to in column in a table B. So here, customer here is a primary key. So in the customer table, customer is a primary key. But here in the orders table, customer is a foreign key. So this is a foreign key. If we have to combine these two tables, we'll be using this primary key and foreign key, and then combine these two tables into one, or whatever the result we want. So that's the difference between a primary key and a foreign key. So if whenever you are combining two tables that are different, that are separate, you will need some sort of a key to join them together to treat them as a to treat them as it if it was a one table. Okay, so these are the two tables that we have. Okay, let's do the query that we wanted to do. We select. I'll be customers dot first name. We can also name it as first name. It will be like this. First name, comma, uh, customers dot last name as last name. So what we are doing is just making this column equal to this. So this will show on the top instead of like this. There should be space between them. That's why we are doing that as it's kind of making it equal to. And now what we do customers dot we wanted to find out the um, zip code customer dot zip comma. Now we want to do order numbers will be orders dot order number comma. Let's see, number, yes. And now we can find out the ship date. It'll be orders dot or order. Let's do order date, and then from customers. Okay, we'll just put this here so it does not look that long. From customer, and then we'll do join orders, which is the second table on. Now we are using the keys. We are using the keys to join them together. Go like customers dot customer number equal to orders dot customer number, where orders dot ship cost is greater than equal to 4. Okay, so what we are saying is that the first column, first name column, we want that as the first name. The last name column, we want them as a last name. And then the third column we want is the customer zip code, and then the order number, then the order date from customer, and then we are joining them together. So we join on customers dot customer. So we're joining them with the primary key of the customer table, and then the foreign key of the orders table. So this below is the orders table. This one, the top one, is the customers table. Then we're joining them using the primary and foreign keys, and then we are putting a condition. We just want the SQL want the we just want to see all the records where the ship cost was more than equal to or more than 4. Now we run this, and at the end we should see a column. So here is the column. So we have first name, which we wanted, last name, which we wanted, then the zip code that we wanted, and then the order number, and then the order date for where the ship cost was more than 4. We can also add a column here for ship cost, just so we know that we actually got the correct columns. So we can add another column here which will say orders dot ship cost, and it should give us another column at the end that should say ship cost. So here's the ship cost 4, 7, and 6. Okay. What else we can do is we can add multiple conditions. So this here we added one condition, but we can add multiple conditions instead of just looking at to see if the order was more than 4. We can also add another condition where we say that the state was Texas. So we can see everyone who ordered things from Texas. So here we'll just put and, then we'll do orders dot ship state equal to and Texas. Yes. Now we will add another column here that should say ship state, so we know that we got the correct one. Orders dot ship state, and we run it, and now we will see the results at the end. So here, now we got the first name of the customer, last name of the customer, the zip code, the order number, the order date, and the ship state is Texas, and then ship cost is 7. We can add a lot of conditions here if you want to. We can add, instead of and, we can do or. We can do this. We can put a or condition here. Now here we can say Virginia. Let's say Virginia. I'm not sure if there is a customer from Virginia. Let's find out if there's a customer from Virginia. There's a customer from, okay, we'll do New York. There is a customer, okay, we'll do Florida. There are few people from Florida. We'll do Florida. So now it will look for either one of those. Either the customer, the order date, well, the ship cost is more than or equal to 4, or the order or ship state is Florida. So let's run this. And now we should see, so here, Our conditions are that either show me all the customers, the first name, last name, zip code, order, and order date from all the customers whose ship state is Florida or whose ship cost is more than more than or equal to 4. So here, Florida, ship cost is 3. Here's Michigan, the ship cost is 6 because here our condition says that show us everything that has 6. So here, all the, you see everything that's below 4 or equal to 4 is either Florida or their ship cost is more than 4. That's how you can find out and combine different tables in a database in SQL Live or SQL Oracle. This is it for this video. I'll be creating more videos like these and explaining things better in SQL. So please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon to get notification. Please like this video if it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.